Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen samosas in the air fryer. So we need a package of frozen samosas and some non-stick cooking spray so they don't stick to the air fryer. Now I'll open the air fryer and spray the inside of the basket with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to spray, you can also brush the inside of the basket with vegetable oil. And now let's open a box of frozen samosas. And I will put them in the air fryer in a single layer. And now I will put them in the air fryer, and I will set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 12 minutes. Now while the air fryer is cooking, let's prepare the dipping sauce that comes with a package of frozen samosas. So just put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. And now when it's done microwaving, let's remove them to the plate because they're hot. And now I'll just pour them into a bowl for dipping. Now the dipping sauce is ready, so I'll just wait for the samosas to finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the samosas. Look at that, so golden brown and crispy, perfectly cooked. They look amazing. Now let's transfer them to a plate. So crispy and delicious. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen samosas. Now I'm so excited about trying it. This looks so good. Let me dip it into my dipping sauce. Perfectly cooked inside. It tastes amazing. You're going to love it. Let me just show you the inside. This is so good. See, perfectly cooked. Crispy on the outside and perfectly cooked on the inside, and so delicious. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen samosas. It makes them so crispy and they taste so good. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!